Chiliz cost truly equivalent to $0.1011 a coin, which really is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.0998 0.1011, which essentially is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 0.1006, or so they basically thought. The change really was plus 0.0005, plus 0.50%, which is very critical. Backwards rate, USD to CHZ in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 5. Cost $0.10. Really most extreme 0.11, sort of least 0.09, which essentially is very huge. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, June 6. Cost $0.10. Sort of greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in a significant way. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7. Cost $0.10. Genuinely most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09, which especially is very critical. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, June 8. Cost $0.10. Genuinely greatest 0.11, sort of least 0.09 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 9. Cost $0.10. Sort of greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09, or so they generally thought. In multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday, June 12. Cost $0.10. Greatest 0.11, certainly least 0.09, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13. Cost $0.10. Beautiful greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09. Most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, June 14. Cost $0.10. Truly most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09, which basically is very critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 15. Cost $0.10. Beautiful greatest 0.11, really least 0.09, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chiliz figure on Friday, June 16. Cost $0.10. Extremely greatest 0.11, most certainly least 0.09 in a truly significant manner. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 19. Cost $0.10. Beautiful greatest 0.11, certainly least 0.09. Pretty further appearance how Chiliz value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, June 5. Cost $0.10. Exceptionally most extreme 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, June 20. Cost $0.10. Greatest 0.11, in every practical sense, least 0.09, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21. Cost $0.10. In every way that really matters. Most extreme 0.11, fundamentally least 0.09. Fundamentally further appearance how today. Exchange cost range, 0.0998 0.1011, or so they basically thought. Chiliz figure on Thursday, June 22. Cost $0.10. Greatest 0.11, certainly least 0.09, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 23. Cost $0.10. By and large most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Chiliz figure on Monday, June 26. Cost $0.10. Truly greatest 0.11, least 0.09, so Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, June 6. Cost $0.10. Truly most extreme 0.11, kind of least 0.09, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, June 27. Cost $0.10. Sort of greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09, which truly is very huge. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 28. Cost $0.10. Truly greatest 0.11, in every way that really matters, least 0.09, which especially is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, June 29. Cost $0.10. Greatest 0.11, least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz figure on Friday, June 30. Cost $0.10. Essentially most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09, exhibiting that Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7. Cost $0.10. Beautiful greatest 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09, or so they explicitly thought. In about a month Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost $0.10, exceptionally most extreme 0.11, truly least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.10, certainly most extreme 0.11, fundamentally least 0.09, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to CHC swapping scale exceptionally equivalent to 9.8912 coins per $1, which all things considered, is very critical. Today, S reach 9.8912100190, or so they truly thought. The past day, S nearby 9.9404 incredibly. Change for now 0.0492, 0.49% in a fundamentally significant way. USD to CHC cost gauge in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Monday, June 5, cost 10.000 coins. By and large greatest 11.111, least 9.091, exhibiting how Chiliz value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, sort of least 0.09 in a truly significant manner. USD to CHC expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 10.000 coins, especially greatest 11.111, fundamentally least 9.091, exhibiting that truly backwards rate, USD to CHC in an every practical sense, significant way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 10.000 coins, exceptionally greatest 11.111 in every way that really matters, least 9.091. USD to CHC forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 10.000 coins, fundamentally greatest 11.111, truly least 9.091 incredibly. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, June 9, cost 10.000 coins, sort of greatest 11.111, essentially least 9.091, showing that Chiliz value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.10, genuinely most extreme 0.11, fundamentally least 0.09, which really is very critical. In multi-week USD to CHC expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 10.000 coins, greatest 11.111, truly least 9.091, showing how Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09, which fundamentally is very critical. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 10.000 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 11.111, genuinely least 9.091, or so they explicitly thought. USD to CHC expectation on Wednesday,